You ready, Reese? Let's give Drake a tower so he can crash it. He thinks it's pretty funny. Ready, Drake? Crash! Yeah! Alright, Reese wants a turn. Reese, let me build you a tower and you can crash it. It's okay. He can play with blocks too. Give it to Drake. Give it to Drake. Alright, here's your tower. Ready? Go! One more on top. Alright. Crash it, Reese, or it's gonna fall. Crash it! Crash it! You can do it! Yay! Alright, let's make one for Drake. You ready, Drake? Here you go. Crash it. Yeah! So much fun.